Santa, should I make many friends in life? I really want to know your thoughts on this.
Yes, having good friends is what is ideal.
How many friends do you think a youth or teenager should have?
A teenager shouldn't talk about how many friends. Rather, he or she should talk about how do I get a quality friend?
We should focus on having only quality people by our side. This is a nice one, Santa. I love the idea. But how do I attract quality people as friends? Is a quality person someone who has plenty of money?
Oh, yes! You can attract a quality person by being a quality individual. If you yourself are a quality individual, it will be a piece of cake when it's about attracting another quality person to yourself. So, you need work on yourself. That is how to attract quality friend. A quality person is a person that can stick or last longer with you despite troubles, challenges, hard times, etc. A quality person shouldn't be classified by money. Quality people are people of principles, morals and values. You cannot experience love and care if you don't have these individuals by your side.